In this lesson, we'll review a sentence completion problem. This is part of the critical reading. We're on page 824, question 3. 3 out of 5, this is a medium difficulty problem. Here's the sentence. Sandra Gilbert and Susan Gubar's recent book presents a blank of detail, providing far more information than one can easily digest. So we have these two women who collaborated, and I was just curious. I wonder if the fact they have the same initials had any role in that. But anyway, they got together and they wrote a book. There are no clues before the comma, but here's the key phrase, providing far more information than one can easily digest. So we're just looking for a word that means a lot, far more, significant, abundant. So when we look at these answers, again, we're going to use this as a vocab building exercise. A, modicum. This is a very popular word, and this is a noun and for few. So there are lots of words for small or few. Modicum. Another word is paucity or dearth. These are all nouns, so there's not one modicum of evidence. There's not one scintilla. Paucity, dearth. These are all nouns. A couple other words that don't mean the exact same thing, but as few, but lacking. Words like devoid and bereft, and these are adjectives, and that's not the answer. All right, discrepancy. Discrepancy, that just means that there's some type of disparity or difference between items. That's nothing to do with a lot. That's out. All right, I'm going to skip the answer, which is C. Deficit is a fiscal term, and that means that expenses exceed revenues, so there's some type of shortfall. That definitely is not it. And juxtaposition is a great word. This is not the choice, but that's if two items are side by side, usually to compare or contrast, juxtaposed, not the answer. Surfeit, we've seen borrowed words like quixotic and Byzantine, words that come from different cultures that over the years, hundreds of years ago, have been incorporated. And surfeit's one of those words. It's a French word. It means excessive. So other words for a lot, and this is the answer. Myriad is a very common word, and myriad is a noun and an adjective. Copious. You've probably heard of cornucopia around Thanksgiving. That's a horn of plenty. And prolific. It's usually has to do with great numbers. Spate, that's a noun. If something is teeming, it's just full of. And fecund, which is very fertile and abundant, the noun for that is fecundity. So hopefully this will give you some extra vocab. The answer here is C. See you next time. Thanks for watching.